Welcome to Star Biker channel. Today, we're going to talk about the newly launched 2025 Maruti Eeco 7-seater. If you're looking for a budget-friendly family car that's powerful, spacious, and reliable, then this video is just for you. Exterior and design. The 2025 Maruti Eeco now looks more premium and modern than ever before. The new front grille, cleaner headlamp design, and slightly refined body structure give it a fresh new look. However, it still retains that classic boxy shape that keeps it recognizable and dependable as a family van. Interior and features. Talking about the interiors, the 7-seater variant offers ample space. Maruti has made the interior more practical and user-friendly. It comes with a new dashboard design, a digital instrument cluster, and AC with heater as standard features. Both legroom and headroom feel more comfortable, especially for family use. Engine and performance. The new Eeco is powered by a 1.2-liter K-series petrol engine, delivering over 80 brake horsepower along with impressive mileage. There's also a CNG variant available, making it a great option for budget-conscious consumers. The driving experience is smooth, and the vehicle performs reliably in both urban and rural settings. Safety and mileage. Maruti has also focused on safety in the 2025 Eeco. Now it comes standard with features like dual airbags, ABS with EBD, reverse parking sensors, and an engine immobilizer. As for mileage, the petrol variant claims around 19 kmpl, while the CNG version offers up to 26 km per kilogram as per company data. Price and conclusion. The starting price of the 2025 Maruti Eeco 7-seater is approximately 6 Indian rupees Lakhs, ex-showroom, making it an extremely affordable MPV. If you're looking for high seating capacity, a reliable brand, and good mileage on a tight budget, this could be a smart choice. Closing. Hope you found this information helpful. For more such auto updates and reviews, stay connected with Star Biker. If you liked the video, do like, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.